Gross. Do you hear that? That sounds gloopy. Gloopy, by definition, is having the properties or attributes of a thick liquid or sticky substance. In other words, it's disgusting and shouldn't be touched. Most likely it's pure poison and will kill you. Someone, probably crazy, made a complete sound effects pack filled with these gloopy, repulsive noises. If you have no dignity, then head over to cinemaspice.net and trade in your blood money for this foul sound pack. Sure, it's only $15. Sure, there are 85 individual sounds. Sure, it sounds like an exploding head of a zombie or someone getting their limbs ripped off. But they are icky and will make you want to take a shower after hearing them. So buy them, or not. Do whatever. It's up to you, but be warned, or something.